Kumeyaay. This is Sam Brown, and I've got another language lesson, another shortcut. Now, when you greet someone individually, it depends if they're standing up, laying down, sitting down, or coming towards you. It's really complicated for beginners. Memyutim yo, memyutim yak, memyutim wa, memyutim vu. It's really hard to keep it straight. Well, here is another shortcut. I was talking to my dad one day. My dad said, instead of saying, how are you, using all those methods, just say, how have you been? How have you been is memyutim pa. It doesn't matter if the person's standing up, laying down, sitting down, or coming towards you. Memyutim pa. How ka memyutim pa? And of course the response is ihanta pa. How ka memyutim pa? Another language shortcut. And that is good Kumeyaay. All right, see you guys later. Bye-bye.